Okay, we're going to check the battery. If you've been watching this video, you saw the lawnmower start, so you know the battery's not in too bad a shape. After sitting all winter, it was able to start right away. But suppose it didn't start. I'm going to show you how to safely charge your battery. So you get your battery charger, and don't trust the colors. I can't say that enough. People change wires, especially on older vehicles, older lawnmowers. They have a bad cable, they change them out. They use whatever they've got on hand. They're usually in a hurry. So don't trust the colors. Red on red, black on black is not the safest thing. So always look on the back of this terminal here. There's a little minus or a negative sign. On the back of this one, there's a plus. Plus is supposed to be red. Minus is supposed to be black. So this is correct, but don't trust it. Always verify. So I'm going to put the black lead on the negative. I'm going to put the red lead on the positive. Make sure I'm not touching anything with this cable, especially the red one. I'm going to turn my charger on. It's a 12-volt battery, so I have to be sure I select 12 volts, 12 volt high. Then I'm going to turn this charger on. And it's a good idea, even though this did start up and run, it's a good idea to top off your charge at the beginning of the year if you have a charger available. Now, if you don't have a charger available, you can definitely jump start a 12 volt lawnmower from your car. Just get the jumper cables, verify both batteries, check, put your black connections on your minus or on your negative terminals. Your red jumper cables on the positive, and then start the car. Then the lawnmower should just start right away. There's a lot of available amperage in that car battery. It will spin this mower right away. So then just start the car, then start your mower. Now if you have if you're little tip, if you're jump starting one car to another, to be safe, you should connect the battery jumper cables to the working vehicle first, and then connect the positive side on the non-working vehicle. Connect the red lead to the positive side of the battery, and do not connect the negative directly to the battery, because if that car that's under that has a battery issue, if they've been cranking on that and stressing the battery could be outgassing, and when you connect that negative terminal, that last connection, you may get a little spark, and that gas can cause an explosion. It's rare, but it does happen. So never connect the negative side to the battery that you're trying to jump. Connect it instead. I'm going to turn this charger off. Connect it instead on your other car to something that is also ground, that is away from the battery. Like the hood latch is a good choice. If there's a bracket on the engine, the issue is a lot of that stuff has a really good paint on it, and you're not going to get a good connection through the paint. So a lot of times there's a spring on the hood latch or something, or some sort of a bolt you can get to, but don't make the connection directly on the battery when you're jump starting a car on the vehicle that is dead. You can connect to the battery on the working vehicle. Do that first. Then connect the positive to your non-working vehicle. Connect the negative away from the battery to something that is ground, something metal, hood latch, a bracket that's bolted to the engine, anywhere you can get ground. You should see a little spark. That'll let you know whenever you touch it. You get a little spark, and that'll let you know that, yeah, you've completed your path. But that keeps you from possibly exploding your battery when you create that spark up here where gases may be coming off. Okay, so this battery is in good shape.
Watch the entire series of videos to learn how to do all of these things. Thank you for watching how that works.